For you more advanced users, for you more advanced players who like to be a bit more technical, you can actually have lights that pop on and off depending on the status. So you can have one that comes on and off depending on whether there's anything in this chest, whether there's anything in this chest, whether there's any fuel. So I'll show you how to do that now. So first of all, we're going to need to make ourselves a little bit of space. It'll all become clear in a minute. Okay, so if I have a lever there, see how that just turned itself on? That is because there is stuff in here, so if I take that out, you see it's gone back off again. This one is the fuel one, and because there's no fuel in there in a minute, it's in the off mode. And this chest should be empty as well. Yeah, this chest is empty, so the light's not on. Now let's say I put something in there. See, the lever has now turned itself on, and then it turned it straight back off again, because that's gone into the furnace, but there's no fuel, so it's not smelting. Put some more in there. Yep, now you can see that's on. So if I add that there, and we'll have some obsidian there. Lights. This is my own sort of way of doing it, but you can construct your lights however you like. But this is the way I like to do it. There we go. So I've got one light there, which is off because because the chest is empty. It's full, sorry. Not full, but it has stuff in there. So if the chest became empty, that light would come on. Then we've got this one back here. And that is on now because this requires fuel. And then one more here. And that light is on because this chest is empty. So the only light which is off is this one, because we know that there is something in that chest. The only problems that are going on at the minute is there is no fuel and there is nothing currently finished smelting. Okay, so what we need to do now is add some fuel. That light goes off because we now got the fuel in, and then that light's gone off as well because now there is stuff in this chest. There we go, all problem solved. And now that light should come on in a few seconds when this chest runs out of items. Yep, there we go. And that is pretty much how it works. If you want to stick around, I'll just sort of pretty this up a little bit.